What's the meaning of billy goat? Billy goat. Billy goat.
Billy goat. Billy goat. A billy goat is a male goat, typically recognized by its long beard and large, curved horns. The term billy is believed to have originated from the Germanic word bok, which means male goat. Goats have been domesticated for thousands of years and have played an important role in many cultures as a source of milk, meat, and wool. In some cultures, goats are also used ceremonially or symbolically. The phrase "get your goat" refers to a person who becomes angry or upset over something trivial, which may be attributed to the often irritable nature of billy goats. Billy goats are also known for their agility, which has made them popular in goat shows and competitions.